In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Axos Bank account online in 2025 with a step-by-step guide that makes the process straightforward and stress-free. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or take advantage of online banking features, setting up an Axos Bank account is a great step. First things first, you'll want to decide which type of account suits your needs best. Axos Bank offers a variety of options. If you're looking for an account without the hassle of monthly fees and enjoy having easy access online, then the Essential Checking account could be your ideal choice. For those who are looking to earn a bit more, the Rewards Checking might be tempting with its high interest opportunities provided you meet certain requirements. Or perhaps you're interested in setting money aside to let it grow, in which case a savings account that earns interest on deposits might be just what you need. Once you've decided on the account type that best fits your financial goals, it's time to begin the application process. Start by visiting the Axos Bank website and clicking on Open an Account for the type of account you've selected. This step will vary depending on whether you're a new customer, an existing customer, or if you're returning to complete a previously started application. Simply log in if you haven't already to proceed. You'll then be directed to a secure, straightforward online form. This part of the process involves filling out your personal information, which will include your identification details, such as your driver's license or passport. You'll also need your social security number, your current address, and date of birth to verify your identity. Don't forget to include your email address and phone number so Axos Bank can contact you if necessary. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary fields, the next step is to submit your application and wait for the approval. After submission, Axos Bank will begin the review process. They'll notify you about the status of your application, so keep an eye on your email and phone for updates. Upon approval, congratulations, you'll gain access to your online banking platform and will soon receive your debit card by mail, ready for use. Opening a bank account online with Axos is designed to be simple and convenient, allowing you to manage your finances without stepping out of your home. Follow these steps closely, and you'll be up and running with your new account in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy banking with Axos. Stay tuned for more guides and financial tips.